What are annuities? An annuity is a financial product that provides a series of payments made at equal intervals. These intervals can be monthly, quarterly, annually, etc. Annuities are typically used as a way to provide a steady income stream, often for retirees. Here's a detailed overview. Types of annuities. Fixed annuities. Immediate fixed annuities provide guaranteed payments that begin almost immediately after a lump sum is paid. Deferred fixed annuities accumulate interest at a fixed rate and provide payments starting at a future date. Variable annuities allow investment in various subaccounts, similar to mutual funds. Payments vary based on the performance of these investments. Offer the potential for higher returns, but come with higher risk. Indexed annuities. Returns are tied to a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Provide a minimum guaranteed interest rate and potential for higher returns based on the index's performance. Phases of annuities. Accumulation phase. Period during which you pay money into the annuity either as a lump sum or through periodic payments. Distribution phase. Period during which you receive payments from the annuity either for a specified number of years or for the rest of your life. Benefits of annuities. Regular income provide a steady and predictable income stream, which can be particularly beneficial during retirement. Tax deferral, earnings grow tax deferred until withdrawals begin. Death benefits, some annuities offer benefits to beneficiaries if the annuitant passes away before or during the payout phase. Guaranteed returns, fixed annuities provide a guaranteed return, offering security against market fluctuations. Drawbacks of annuities. Fees and charges can include high fees for management, mortality, administrative expenses, and penalties for early withdrawal. Complexity can be complex financial products that are difficult to understand. Lower liquidity, funds and annuities are less accessible compared to other investment types due to potential penalties and surrender charges. Inflation risk, fixed payments may not keep up with inflation, reducing purchasing power over time. Common uses of annuities. Retirement planning, often used to ensure a steady income stream during retirement. Estate planning can be structured to provide financial benefits to heirs. Tax planning, used to defer taxes on investment gains. How to choose an annuity. Assess financial goals. Determine if you need a steady income stream, potential for growth, or a combination of both. Understand your risk tolerance. Choose between fixed, variable, or indexed annuities based on your comfort with risk. Compare fees and features. Carefully compare different annuities, considering fees, surrender charges, and additional features like death benefits. Consult a financial advisor. Work with a financial advisor to understand the complexities and ensure the annuity aligns with your overall financial plan. Annuities can be valuable tools for managing long-term financial security, especially in retirement, but it's crucial to fully understand their terms and conditions before investing.